All right, take that chain guard and slide it this way. It won't come all the way off, but it'll slide this way. Okay. Cool. Grab it in 2 hands. Pull it straight off that gear. There you go. Yep, good. All right. Good. There it is.
You're trying to disconnect this whole section from this axle.
Make sure you're out good.
Yep.
Okay.
It's not coming yet, but keep going a little bit. It's coming down.
There it is. Go ahead. I can't believe it didn't like fall apart. And then you take that off the jack stands and just wheel it somewhere and leave it. Because we don't need that for a while now. Go ahead. All right, you're out. You're off, right?
All right, ready? 2, 3.
Does it have to wiggle out of that thing? There it is.
There's like wires connected to it.
Really? No. You know what? That's the stator. Where does the stator unplug? That should be it, right? Just be careful. You can't drop it or anything because it'll crack and break the whole thing. And then we need lots of parts.
More. Where?
Is there?
This one.
Oh, starter. Yeah.
Just hold it for a second.
All right. Lay it down, Grant. Right there on the cardboard. Yep. All right. Beautiful.
It's gonna be nice when it runs.